Let's listen as his son Chris comes by in the B-51 Mustang. That's what a Merlin sounds like when you closely cowl that airplane like that, put those 6 little stacks out each side. That was a sound that troops on the ground like to hear. That was a sound that bomber pilots like to hear, to have a B-51 alongside. The B-51s, the aircraft that eventually were flown by the Tuskegee Airmen, the red-tailed Mustangs. They started out flying P-40 Warhawks like you see Bob flying. And the Tuskegee Airmen with their